Moto G31. Best camera phone. Long gone are the days when a triple rear. It's hard to keep up with Motorola phone releases, even when you follow the tech landscape daily. Gone are the days of neat G models in different variants. Still, the Moto G31 is another interestingly spec'd handset for not much money. Starting at just £169, it will certainly appeal to anyone who wants a nice phone at a very budget-friendly price. Despite being cheaper than many pairs of wireless earbuds, the G31 offers features like an OLED screen, triple rear cameras, and long battery life. Let's see if it can deliver in a world where the likes of Xiaomi are hard to compete with. Design and build. 8.55mm, 181G. Water repellent coating. Side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It might be the somewhat weary feeling of someone who has reviewed phones for more than a decade, but there's not a huge amount to say about the Moto G31 in terms of design and build. Screen and speakers. 6.4 inches OLED. Full HD+. 60 Hz. The screen on offer is decent, and largely in keeping with what you'd expect these days. It's big, bright, and colorful. Specs and performance. Switch to MediaTek. Only 4GB RAM. 64 or 128GB storage. Motorola has switched from Qualcomm, the G30 had a Snapdragon 662, to MediaTek, and the Moto G31 has a Helios G85 processor. Along with 4GB of RAM, this is where we find the obviously budget part of the Moto G31. Cameras. Triple rear cameras. 50MP main sensor. 13MP punch-hole camera. Long gone are the days when a triple rear camera array was impressive. With various cheap 2MP sensors, it's easy for even a budget phone to have a large number on offer. Battery life and charging. 5,000 mAh. 10W charging. USB-C. Like a lot of phones at the moment, the Moto G31 has a sizable 5,000 mAh battery, and Motorola says that you can get 36 hours of usage from it. I'd say that could be true, but of course, it depends on your usage. A busy phone user will likely charge nightly. Software and apps. Android 11. Clean interface. Useful Moto additions. It's a familiar story to previous years with the Moto G31. You get almost the latest version of Android, and it's almost stock, so very much like what you get on Google's own Pixel phones. Price. As mentioned at the top, the Moto G31 starts at just £169.99, which will get you a 464GB model. You can then step up to the 4/128GB model for £189.99. That £20 extra will be well worth it for most users. You can buy it from Motorola, Amazon, as well as John Lewis, Argos, and Carphone Warehouse. Motorola Moto G31. Specs. Android 11. 6.4 inches 60 Hz Full HD+, 1080 by 2400 OLED display. MediaTek Helio G85. 4GB RAM. 64/128GB storage. microSD card slot. Rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. 50MP main camera, f/1.8 PDAF. 8MP ultrawide camera, f/2.2 118 degrees FOV. 2MP macro camera, f/2.4. 13MP hole punch front camera, f/2.2. Bluetooth 5.0. NFC. GPS. Wi-Fi 11 AC, dual band. USB-C. 3.5mm headphone jack. Hybrid dual SIM. Side-mounted fingerprint scanner. 5,000 mAh battery. 10W charging. Wi-Fi 802.11. 162 by 74 by 8.55 millimeters. 181G. Water repellent coating.